Excuse me.
Okay, they're swimming down to the other end here.
¿Cómo se llama ese ojito? León marino.
There he is. That's a good one. Oh, you're recording.
That's